What's going on, everybody? Mark Pack here, 912homeworks.com, and welcome to hurricane season. Hurricane-resistant windows and storm panels are your first line of defense against the storm. Hurricane-resistant windows has a thick layer of polymer between the glass that makes it impact-resistant, and therefore wind and rain are not going to be allowed into your home. I'm going to attempt to show you just how impact-resistant these windows are. The first window is a wood window, the second one aluminum, the third one is going to be a double pane window similar to what we installed today, and then last but not least, the hurricane impact resistant glass window. Watch and enjoy. Dorian, 150-mile-an-hour winds. I think I've proven my point. Impact-resistant windows on 912homeworks.com. Sleep well at night knowing your home's protected. Click today, start tomorrow.